All right, hi, and welcome back. Attorney Steve Vondran, and welcome to another exciting video. Okay, some breaking legal news here. This is a case alleging intentional infliction of emotional distress, assault, and battery against CNN host Don Lemon. Don Lemon, CNN host. This is filed here in the Supreme Court of the state of New York and County of Suffolk. And this is about an incident that allegedly occurred in Sag Harbor. Now I'm going up to Sag Harbor a little later this year, so I found this one interesting. I might even go check out the bar and see what kind of bar it is. But anyway, these are allegations only. This does not mean he did it. This is a complaint. A complaint is not evidence per se. A complaint is containing allegations. So let's take a look at this one. Dustin Heiche, and a verified complaint means that it's under oath. So the plaintiff is making these allegations under oath, under penalty of perjury. So we'll see kind of what it is. But let's take a look. I haven't even taken a peek at this yet. Just popped up on my screen. But plaintiff Dustin Heiche, Mr. Heiche, hereby brings the following. It says, on air and social media platforms, Don Lemon, hereinafter Mr. Lemon or defendant, an American journalist, Emmy Award-winning news anchor for cable news network CNN, who, among other things, purports to be a staunch advocate for the Me Too movement, a social movement meant to bring awareness and give voice to victims of sexual assault and sexual harassment. When the cameras are turned off, however, Mr. Lemon's actions are in stark and disturbing contrast to the public persona he attempts to convey, says this plaintiff. Such was the case in July of 2018. That's about over a year ago. So my first question is, why wait so long to sue? When Mr. Lemon, unprovoked, physically and verbally attacked plaintiff in a public bar, displaying his true nature. Accordingly, this is a civil action brought on behalf of plaintiff against defendant seeking damages for assault and battery in violation of New York State common law. Here's the parties, here's the jurisdiction, here's the venue, here's the operative facts. Located on the east end of Long Island, comprised of several groups of villages and hamlets, the Hamptons has over the years become a popular high-end seaside resort. I'll tell you, it's beautiful. I love it. It's very nice out there. The Hamptons is one of the most historical summer havens of the Northeast United States. The Hamptons is not only known for celebrities that live and vacation in this affluent area, but is renowned for being one of the top destinations to spend the summer due to its beautiful beaches and active nightlife. All right, let's get on here. What's going on? All kinds of stuff. During the summer of 2018, plaintiffs decided to live and work in the Hamptons in order to earn extra money and enjoy summer by the beach. Plaintiff had previously worked in the Hamptons during the summer of 2013 and had anticipated returning to the Hamptons in future seasons. Plaintiff greatly enjoyed his time spent on the Hamptons as he was able to earn money, socialize, and enjoy the atmosphere. Okay, lots of good stuff. All that changed, however, in 2018 when an encounter with the defendant, Mr. Lemon, damaged plaintiff. Here's the encounter. The allegations, again, these are just allegations. During the summer of 2018, plaintiff worked as a bartender at the Old Stove Pub, hereinafter the Old Stove, a popular restaurant and bar located in Sagaponack, New York. At that time, plaintiff's boss was George, hereinafter George, on or about July 15th, upon information and belief in recognition and celebrations of all the hard work plaintiff and his colleagues had put in during the Independence Day rush, Mr. Gonzalez closed the Old Stove and went out with plaintiff and others to celebrate a thus far successful season. Later that evening, plaintiff Mr. Gonzalez, a patron of the Old Stove, Jane Rowe, arrived at Murph's Backstreet Tavern. Now that sounds like a place to go. Murph's Backstreet Tavern, hereinafter Murph's, a local bar in Sag Harbor, New York. When plaintiff entered Murph's, he noticed a familiar face and realized that Mr. Lemon was also at the bar, seemingly enjoying a drink with his friends. Being cordial, the plaintiff tried to get Mr. Lemon's attention and offered to buy Mr. Lemon a drink, a lemon drop, a vodka cocktail. Maybe he was trying to be too funny. I don't know. A lemon drop? Mr. Lemon denied plaintiff's offer and responded he was just trying to have a good time. Plaintiff then left, and Mr. Lemon went back to socialize with the individuals he arrived with. Mr. Lemon returned to his friends, and both groups went about their night, and there was no further interaction thereafter until Mr. Lemon's assault upon plaintiff. All right. Sometime later that evening, unexpectedly, Mr. Lemon walked towards plaintiff and his colleagues inside of Murph's. At such time, Mr. Lemon, who was wearing a pair of shorts, sandals, and a t-shirt, put his hand down the front of his own shorts, and I'm going to let you read the rest here. I'm going to let you read that. Where the heck did that go? You can see it right here. From 18, I'll let you do the reading. Not the kind of stuff I typically like to read, but these are the allegations being made. As you can see, very serious allegations. Wow, yeah, so plaintiff was shocked and humiliated and fled the bar. Plaintiff was emotionally devastated, blah, blah, blah. And by Mr. Lemon's demeaning, unprovoked, and offensive assault, plaintiff and Mr. Guanellis remained outside for approximately 5 to 10 minutes before plaintiff was able to collect himself and return to Murph's. Blah, blah, blah. So there it is. He's tormented, problems, first cause of action for assault and battery. Second cause of action, intentional infliction of emotional distress. We have a video on that if you want to learn more about that. Tort, what we call the tort of outrage sometimes. Third cause of action, negligent infliction of emotional distress, demand for jury trial, and seeking all kinds of damages and fees, including punitive damages. So, again, this is breaking news. This is a very popular show host, Don Lemon, and we'll see what happens. Again, bear in mind, these are only allegations, but these are serious allegations, and time will tell if this is a real case, has real merit, or is just another lawsuit alleging things. Okay?